similes and the metaphors that we can find in the book of Malachi as well. For example, we have in Malachi chapter 3, verses 2 to 3, like roughly the ending of 2 and like mainly the first part of 3, says, for he is like a smelter's fire and like a fuller's lye. And the purpose of the simile was to compare the power of the messenger, that was the focus of that text, that part of the passage, to the power of fire. Like a smelter's fire was like very hot furnace fires, something of great power. And the messenger that was to give the Lord's blessing to Levi was as powerful as that smelter's fire. And we also have another example in chapter 4, verses 1 to 3. And this example is when Ezra states, "For lo, that day is at hand, burning like an oven. All the arrogant and all the doers of evil shall be straw. And the day that is coming, said the Lord of hosts, shall burn them to ashes." Here the simile that is being used is between the day of the Lord, which is approaching, and a burning hot oven. Ezra here is comparing the day of the Lord, which is approaching, to the day of an oven because of how powerful it actually is. It's kind of similar to the other example that I've mentioned before with the power of the messenger being compared to the fire. Here's like another, this is also like another example of parallelism, because it's kind of the same idea of like being as powerful as a fire in an oven. And the author Ezra goes into deep detail as to like what is coming to the people who are evil, people who are not in God's favor.